In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book meetings on behalf of other users in HubSpot Service Hub. First, open your browser, head to your favorite search engine, and type HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using an account that has access to Service Hub and the permissions needed to log or schedule meetings for your team. If you're using single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts to finish logging in. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the main navigation. Find the CRM section, then select Contacts. This takes you to your Contacts index, where you can browse or search. Locate the contact you want to schedule time with and open their record. This ensures the meeting is tied directly to the right person's timeline, so your team has full context later. On the contact record, look for the Activity Composer and choose Meeting. This opens the scheduling panel. Start by entering a clear, concise title. Good titles make it easy for teammates to understand the purpose at a glance. Think Onboarding Review or Follow-up, Product Demo. Next, choose the start date using the date picker. Then set your start time and end time. Keep time zones in mind, especially if your teammate or the contact is in a different region. If your calendar is connected to HubSpot, you'll typically see availability align with your schedule, which helps avoid conflicts. You can optionally select a meeting type. Picking a type like Discovery Call, Demo, or Onboarding helps with reporting and makes it easier to filter activities later. Add a location if you have one. This could be a physical address, a conference room, or a virtual meeting link. If it's a video call, paste the link so it lands in the invite and on the contact's timeline for quick access. Take a moment to review all details: title, date, times, type, and location. When everything looks right, click Schedule Meeting. HubSpot will log the meeting on the contact's record and, based on your organization's settings, send invites or notifications to the relevant participants. You should see a confirmation on screen, and the meeting will appear in the activity feed for that contact. That's it. To recap, you searched HubSpot, logged in, navigated to contacts, opened the right contact, created a meeting, added all the important details, and scheduled it. Double-check your team's notification and calendar settings so invites reach the right people, and use clear titles and meeting types to keep your reporting clean. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.